Okay. All right. If you will make sure that you have your worksheet out, your video guide from yesterday, we're going to go over that to help you get ready for your test tomorrow. Okay. So the first video was about the structure of an atom, and it says sketch a diagram of a helium atom, label the protons, neutrons, and electrons, and include the charge that's found within each. Also label the nucleus and the valence shells. Okay. So if you look on your periodic chart, this is your atomic what? Answer me. For real. Number. Okay, atomic number. And then this is your atomic mass. Okay, your atomic mass. Okay. And this is helium. This is what it looks like on the periodic chart. All right, so if you drew your picture, in your nucleus, you're going to have 2 protons because that's what the atomic number tells you. What kind of charge does a proton have? Positive. Proton positive. P and P. Okay? Protons positive. All right, what else are we going to find in the nucleus? Neutrons. And neutrons have what kind of charge? No charge. They are neutral. All right, and the way that we figure out our neutron number is we take this number, the atomic mass, and we subtract the first number, okay? And that tells us that we have 2 neutrons. All right, because this is the number of protons plus neutrons. This is just protons. All right, does everybody understand that part? Because there will be a section where I give you information on an element, and you have to use this information to figure out the number of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Okay, everybody's clear on that? All right, so we've got 2 neutrons, 2 protons, and they are both in the nucleus. All right, so then our valence shell, we have around that. How many electrons do I have in this particular element? 2. All right, and I know that because I have 2 protons and they're positive. Electrons are what charge? Negative. And in order for this to be a neutral atom, the positives and negatives have to cancel out, okay? So if I have 2 protons, I've got to have 2 electrons, and those are going to be in my valence shell. All right, so I've got my negative there and my negative there, okay? So I have 2 there. All right, now, how many, if I had another valence shell, how many electrons can fit on the next one? 8, okay? So 2 on the first one, 8 on the next one, and it'll be full. All right, so it says sketch the diagram, and if I label my protons there, and I've got my neutrons here, my electrons here, all right, and I've included the charge found within each, positive, neutral, and negative. All right, and then I've got to label the nucleus. So this is the nucleus. And the valence shell is this. Okay, so check your answers. Make sure that you have all of that done. Okay? Because there will be a question where you will have to do something similar to this. All right, any questions about this one? Okay. All right, pause.